everyone. I hope you enjoy this Easter bread episode with my family. We had so much fun making it. Give me a big thumbs up if you enjoy the video and comment below. Let's get started. This video is dedicated to my mom. Hi guys, today I'm here with my sisters. We're gonna make Armenian Easter bread. We call it choreg. Here they are.
Happy Easter week for everybody.
Happy blessed week.
Okay, we're gonna start now the recipe.
Yay. Okay. You can talk.
Okay, now we're gonna mix the eggs. Okay,
say
we're
it.
gonna beat the eggs. Now we're adding the sugar. We're gonna add the 3/4 of a cup evaporated milk and 1 1/4 regular milk. 1 1/4 cup of regular milk. We're gonna put the mahlab in the butter, melted butter.
This is a Mediterranean spice. Comes from the seed of the cherry. And I'll put a little description about this.
We put the mahlab in the butter and then we add it to the mixture.
And the butter shouldn't be hot. It should be a little warm.
So like the temperature of a baby's bottle?
But you don't want to make it a scrambled egg.
Right. Okay.
Okay, we can now add the baking powder to the flour.
Okay.
And it is the baking powder 1 teaspoon, half a teaspoon of salt.
Add 1½ tablespoons active dry yeast. So you begin adding the flour and baking powder mixture.
And the
Salt and the yeast.
The salt, yeast, baking powder, and flour. And
soft and a little sticky, but not too sticky, you see?
that's how it should be?
Yes. And then when it rises, it's easy to...
Okay. And what did you put in there? Anything? Oil? Or no? Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and a towel. Put in a cold oven with the light on for 3 hours. Okay. So now
We make it like small balls and keep it to rise again.
cover the trays with plastic wrap or parchment paper and let rise for another hour. You can now begin shaping your Easter breads. As you can see, there are many ways to shape them. Good job.
Yes. Good job. Wow.
Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Beat 1 egg with 1 tablespoon of water and brush on all the Easter breads. Bake in a 350 degree oven until golden brown for 20 to 30 minutes. turn it sideways. That looks so good. Hey Gigi, how's the Easter bread?
It's good.
Yeah. How is it? Is it good? Tastes good, yum. Much love and thanks to my family for making this such a fun episode. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up and comment below. Thank you for visiting Anna's Coastal Kitchen. See you next time.